Did you know that India has introduced a new fuel called E85 in India? Now, this E85 seems to be an important alternative for petrol in India. Now, what is this E85? E85 is a fuel blend that is made from 85% ethanol and 15% petrol. Now, this ethanol is prepared from the agricultural crops like sugarcane and maize and making it to be a renewable source of energy. Now the question is, why is government focusing so much on E85 fuel? So first of all, we have to understand that it will reduce our dependence on imports of crude oil. As all of us know, India is importing large portions of crude oil. And with the price rise in the crude oil, the economy is getting affected badly here. Secondly, it will generate additional income for the farmers as the ethanol uses the raw materials like sugarcane and maize, which will generate additional income for the farmers. Thirdly, it is considered to be the clean source of energy. Now, the emissions that come from E85 will be less harmful than the conventional petrol. So, but there is one catch here. This E85 can be only used in flex vehicles, which are made to be used on high ethanol fuel blends. A regular petrol vehicle cannot use E85 safely. Now, a fuel that is reducing the imports, supporting the farmers, and promoting sustainability in the economy. Do you think this is a win win situation for India? The road ahead is changing. Are we ready for this change? Hope it helps. Bye bye.